kung ako'y love child, how come na kasal pala kayo ng nanay ko? Tapos panay sabi mo na nabuntis lang at pagkatapos ng mabuntis, tumakas na. Umalis na yung nanay mo. Hindi, lumilitaw dito. Nagpakasal pa ulit yung papa mo sa mama mo. So, you should have asked that. Come on, Dad, give me a break. Tell the truth. I deserve the truth, right? Mayura ka eh. Oh, he didn't ask that? I don't believe you.
Your Honor, yan po yung truth. Hindi po namin pinag-uusapan po sa bahay. Medyo sensitive po yung topic po, kaya hindi po talaga namin
But you're
pinag-uusapan
not
sa bahay.
interested about the history of you and your family. Well, that is very important. Sabi ko nga, tumatakbo ka at nasa public office ka. Diba? So, in your case, hindi niyo pinag-usapan. Are you willing to undergo a lie detector test?
Yes po, Your Honor.